Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Today I'll be trying to just share, something that I noticed recently after updating this device to the new firmware 2.12.2. But for now, I was on 2.12.1, and then when I updated to the 2.12.2, usually you know me, I will read the release note before I go ahead to say let me update. Maybe it's good for me or not. I did. I actually updated to the 2.12.2, which basically has a lot of new insert effects. I think about 5. Yeah, the air chorus, multi-tap delay, air expander, air vintage filter, and the air spectra. But air spectra is only for desktop only. The other 4, they actually work for desktop and the standalone. So yeah, I was like, oh yeah, cool. This is a good improvement. Let me try and update the firmware. And I did. But what I was not aware of is it also came with its own bug. I've been having to log into my account every time. Maybe like if it's after 24 hours I've used my device. Once I put it back on, once it connects to the internet, I will have to log in back again to activate all my plugins. At first I thought, okay, fine, maybe it was just because I just did an update. Then it happens again the next day. Then the next day. Sometimes even once I'm off the system for like 6 hours, I'll be forced to come back here and log in again. We go to the system, enter this code and things like that. And I was like, oh, this is serious. Although Akai released a new one, which is the version 2.12.3, and does that solve the problem? Once in a while, I still experience that, but now it wasn't as much as before. So, well, let's say that's a step forward. But Akai, if you're basically watching this or you are listening, kindly help us to fix that error. Initially, I thought it was because I was using 2 devices because I have 2 Akai devices. I have the Live 2 and this. So I felt maybe because I was logging on to one, it was logging me out of the other one. But that never happened before 2.12.2. I've always been logged on, successfully to the 2 of them, and I've been using them separately and independently. The same thing in my system. So I don't know why that is happening right now. And as a matter of fact, because I thought, oh, maybe because it was because I had 2, I'd gone ahead to disconnect one. I stopped using it, and it still happens on this one. So it basically lets me know that, oh, it's not because I have another one. It's basically just happening kind of like a bug within that new firmware update. So please, Akai, help us to fix that. We don't want to have to log in every time we are trying to use the device to activate our plugins to go ahead and use it. I know it's going to be a small fix. Just release an update and fix that up so that we can log in once and we know we're good. Because when I was using my Live 2 for like a whole year, I don't have to even log in twice. Well, I logged in just once and I'm good to go. But now I've logged on more than I've logged on in my entire usage of the device, just in the space of 1 or 2 weeks. So yeah, that's the issue I'm currently facing on this. It's not stopping me from work, it's not stopping anything, aside from the fact that when I first tried to install Jura on my MPC Live 2, it gave me some problems, some errors that I had to, try several times, and eventually it went through. I didn't know why that error was, just error 200 or something, on the screen right now. And after a while, everything worked fine. So yes, I think that'll be all for now. It's just funny and amazing why in the new release there is nothing inside the release notes, for the 2.12.3. All we have there is the fact that bug fixes and stability enhancement. We don't know what bug was fixed. We don't know which stability was enhanced. But we'll take it like that. We won't complain, especially if we have one issue. We will hope that was what it should fix. And if it doesn't fix it, well, we basically just deal with it that way and go on. We take what we can and move on. Anyways, after all, it's Akai, right? And do not forget, we have actually our courses on Udemy. Feel free to go there and enroll. It's easier when you learn in an organized manner. So that'll be all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and just let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.